Hi everybody, today I want to talk to you about keyboard replacement and keyboard repair. Sometimes you might have a little key that came off, you're trying to glue it back and you just can't get it back on there. That's because there's these little tabs that broke off. They're very small, you're not seeing them. So you're really never going to get it back on there. There is several options. Individual keys can be replaced, but typically depending on the unit, sometimes it's just more feasible, especially if you got more than one, to just replace the full keyboard. Now, cost varies. A simple keyboard on, let's say, a $300 to $400 HP laptop, something like that, would run anywhere between $50 to $75 in that range. It's fairly simple replacement. But something like a MacBook Pro, where the keyboard is underneath the body, that main body, the full computer has to be taken apart, motherboard, everything, hard drive, RAM. I mean, it's a major job to get that keyboard out, put it back in. There's about 40 screws holding it, so it's tedious, and we can do it. Whether it's that simple HP keyboard or it's that Mac, bring it in to PC 911.